Before we continue, would you mind subscribing to this channel? We've been doing lots of work, engaging with lots of brands and bringing you the best of everything that's available in the market. We cannot otherwise without your support. We need your support to continue to engage with brands and bring the latest and greatest in tech. Additionally, why we ask for your support is because we specifically ask for discounts for our viewers, and they will all be exclusive discounts through MyNextBest. So all we ask is to continue to support the channel. This family needs to grow bigger, so we are stronger, better together. So we work with the brands to bring bigger and better discounts for you guys. Thank you so much if you've subscribed. Let's continue. What's up guys, you're watching MyNextBest, and in this video we've got another awesome tech. This is a spy camera or a security camera, and it says law enforcement instrument with screen. And if you look around the box, there's really hardly anything that suggests that it's a camera. It shows pictures of traffic police, motorists, cars and things, but never would you imagine that this was a camera, like a spy camera. So in essence, this is the specific item that we're going to be unboxing today. And what we have here at the back of the device, we've got some information about this item. This is the model ZF03. It's to be used for ages 14 and above. Product name, body camera, and voltage 5 volts, 1 amperes, continuous video recording, can record for up to about 3 hours. Video resolution is 1080p. It has been manufactured in China, FCCE, UKCA certification, RoHS, and recycling information. This device complies with Part 15 of the FCC rules, and this device may not cause any harmful interference and things like that mentioned. Right, so at the back of the device, you've got some additional information. It says infrared supported. It kind of works with mobile phones and stuff. 180-degree lens, battery is kind of part of it, and there's the clamp design, motion detection, and one-click recording is all supported. So it's something that you wear on your body. So motion detection is supported. It can record as soon as it sees motion. So it's like a dash cam with a battery, and it kind of works across, when you want to use this while, let's say, cycling, motorcycling, or even driving a car. So that's kind of the value here of this specific device, essentially for bikers and motorists. So motorcyclists and cyclists, and even passengers if you're like a pedestrian who might be interested in just keeping this one on a longer commute, or if you're like sort of walking on the road, and elderly people and stuff. So it seems to have its value on using this specific device. So we're going to quickly unbox this and we'll see what we have in there. So I'm going to quickly cut this one off and get access to the camera. Okay, nice and simple. Should come out easily. And here's the camera. What else do you get in the box? You get a user manual, you get a Type-C cable as well. And this is kind of the user manual. It sort of explains a little bit about the item, different buttons that like the button instructions, time-lapse, video recording, pre-recording, motion detection, frequency, and kind of the specifications of this specific item. So Type-C cable, thick and probably 1/4 meter. And here's kind of the camera that we get out of the box. This is your body cam. It does also have this 1/4 of the screw hole mount, which can be used to mount it on a tripod stand, which is good. And this is kind of one that kind of rotates. You can sort of adjust it depending on how you want to position this camera. And it's got this little flap that should be taken off before usage, of course. And the screen, it's got a screen as well, which is great. So I'm going to get rid of everything, and here's everything that you get. It's essentially this specific camera. It should have a Type-C charging port, which is here, and it says CE certification, and there's quite a few buttons around. This is a camera with the infrared, the 4 lights for the infrared detection and infrared enablement. Let me quickly just turn it on. Let's see if we can just turn it on the other side and start to turn it on. So quite a few options, camera and video recording, so you can obviously adjust that depending on what you'd want to do. And then there's the power button, there's the up and down, and then there's it's a camera kind of a button, I'm not sure, it's a back button. And on this side you've got the SD card slot, and you've got the headphone slot or something. Oh, it's a back button, and you've got what's that? M mode button, I think. And then you've got the microphone on, microphone off option. So you can obviously adjust that depending on whether you want microphone on or microphone off. And let's just turn it on and see how this kind of powers up. Ooh, the display looks pretty good. So yeah, I mean, what do you expect of a camera that's like about £20 and stuff? So yeah, it does kind of show that it's of some use. As you can see, it seems to sort of kind of show things pretty well. And let me actually look at the box and see if it can read text. Oh, that looks really good. I mean, it's quite promising. It shows that it can actually read text. Law enforcement. I can read the text, which is brilliant. If you see that, let me focus on the text. Can you see that? Hopefully you can see. Yeah, I mean, it looks really good. Probably won't record because there is no SD card in there, but the camera looks quite promising. It looks really good, nice and clean. It does sort of kind of allow me to record nice and clear visuals. Yeah, that's really good. Wow, that's really good. Let me actually show you some more text. Maybe that should be useful. What's up guys, you're watching MyNextBest, and this is kind of a sample footage from this video camera, the spy video camera, and hopefully you get the idea of how this kind of works. And it's quite quirky in terms of how the device works, but it seems to be okay. The video footage seems to be 1080p, full HD resolution. And yeah, you tell me how this looks. Motion detection, so it's very limited, but it does sort of record at the time of any movement of vehicle, pets and cars and things, or humans. Let me actually show you the charger, like kind of the charging cable. Looks nice and clean. Yeah, prompt, no card, so without a card it can't record. Looks really good. I mean, I see everything on this screen and I can read text like so small, so like minute detail, which this is able to capture. So I think this camera really gets a thumbs up from my perspective. And there's the up down options. Not sure what that is for. Oh, that's for zooming in. If you press the down button, you zoom in to whatever text or whatever you're looking at. And if I was gonna just angle this thing in, it's very hard to sort of reproduce this on a camera, but I see good results. That's what I see. So press this down button, that will zoom in. Actually, it does. Oh yeah, right. Down button would zoom in, up button would zoom out. And this is, do you know what this is? Oh, this is the rotation. This is the night vision, I suppose. It requires a card, so I don't have the card at the moment. But what else do we have? We've got, we have back button. Okay, so back button and the resolution, which you can select. Image quality, cycle record, white balance, EV, motion detection can be enabled and disabled as well. Off or on. Select on. You can do that, like kind of select that to be turned on. Audio, date time, beep sound. Apparently the beep sound is kind of beep app sound. Wrong, that's just spelled incorrectly. Auto power off, language settings, flicker, screen, resolution switching, volume, picture quality, video pre-recording, time lapse. Hopefully you can see this, yeah. Format, system reset, and version information. What's the version? Let's just quickly have a look. Version is AX32825_car. Okay. Image quality 1 megapixel, 2 megapixel, 3 megapixel. Go with the 3 megapixel image quality. Yeah, it looks really good as a product. I think I might need to sort of test it a little bit more to give you more information about this item. It does have a Type-C charging, so a standard port is kind of supported, and the camera looks pretty good. And overall, I mean, it's got the mount, it can sort of be hung on your t-shirt and stuff if you require that. It's got this magnetic thing at the back, so it does kind of probably attach to a MagSafe Also, you can obviously stick this on to wherever you'd want, like if you're driving a car, you can connect this here, just stick it on, and that should do the job of a dash cam. So it's something that you take along with you, charge as you go, and yeah, having a camera handy, which is not a phone, is always great to have. Alright, so that's pretty much it for this video. If you've got any questions, queries, please reach out to us. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe to MyNextBest. And as always guys, thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Take care, cheers, bye.